Hi, I'm Logan McConnell, and you're probably here because of that dreaded clacking noise on your 3D printer. Well, I'm here today to show you when and why that's happening, and how you can stop it. First of all, when does it happen? Well, 2 times. One, when you're putting the filament in, and 2, in the middle of your printing. Second of all, why does it happen? Well, the filament needs to be smooth in order for the extruder to grab it and push it out of its nozzle. If the filament is not smooth, then it'll slip and make that horrible clacking noise that everyone hates. Lastly, how do you stop it from clacking? Here are a list of steps, but you can watch the whole video and find out how to do it yourself. First, you need to find the Unload Filament button. Turn the dial on the menu screen until filament is selected. Press the dial to get to the next screen. Select Unload Filament and press the dial. Once you take the filament out, the end of it should have a little dimple. After that, take the filament and cut it diagonally. Pull more of the filament out of its plastic tubing. Make sure Continue is selected, then press the dial. After that, select Load Filament and press the dial. Feed the filament into the extruder until you feel it grabbing. Now watch for the filament to come out of the nozzle. Once you see the filament come out, push the dial. Finally, cover the excess filament with the plastic tubing. If the steps didn't work, try them a second time. If they don't work again, then email MakerBot, and they sometimes replace the extruder for free. Tune into my YouTube channel for more MakerBot tips.